Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come with yet another very good information, right? This time it's a mega hiring, but two massive off-campus hiring. Okay, not one, but two massive off-campus hiring from Infosys, right? So let's look at the details. First, so the two profiles are systems engineer and operations executive. So three batches are eligible: 2019, 2020 and 2021. Okay, so these three batches are eligible for both the roles. And so systems engineer, it is basically meant for the engineering graduates including MCA, MSc and all that. So they have not actually mentioned any particular roles and responsibilities or job description, but usually the system engineers, okay, so they'll play a pivotal role in implementing the software development lifecycle activities such as development, testing, implementation, warranty and support activities, and they also usually participate in knowledge management activities and interface with internal team to ensure high quality deliverables within the guidelines, policies, norms of Infosys. Okay, so this is the general outline for systems engineer, and the compensation is 3.6 lakhs per annum. So that's the salary that they have mentioned. And as far as the operations executive is concerned, it is more like a support, technical support job. But again, here also, like, they have not actually specified, like what will be the roles and responsibilities or the job description. But usually the responsibility depends on the type of the project that the employees are assigned with. Okay, so sometimes it can be a tech support, or it can be like a testing kind of role, and so there are cases where it is even closely related to development kind of a role. Okay, so and it can be in any of the verticals, so that is also possible. So as far as operations executive is concerned, the salary is 2.2 lakhs. In fact, recently only another hiring happened like a month before. Now this they have called for another fresh hiring for operations executive. So the important dates for both the hiring: the last day to register is Sunday, November 7th, 2021. That is the last day to register. And later on, for the eligible people, among the candidates who have registered, for the eligible people, they'll send the communication for the test, and the interview would be conducted later. Those who qualify in the written test will be called for the interview later. And as far as the arrears are concerned, there should not be any active backlogs, because this is like 2019, 20 and 21. So all should have completed the course, so no active backlogs for both the courses. And also very importantly, so those who have appeared for the Infosys process the last 6 months, okay, should not appear for this. So if you have already appeared for the last 6 months, unfortunately you are not eligible for this. Now coming to the educational criteria for the systems engineer: BE BTech any stream, ME MTech any stream eligible, MCA eligible, and as far as MSc computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics, statistics, IT and information science. So these specializations are eligible for the systems engineer hiring. And as far as the selection process, again, so in the communication that I got, okay, the selection process is not mentioned, but this is usually the selection process. Okay, so you have reasoning ability, 15 questions, 25 minutes, technical ability, 10 questions and 35 minutes, verbal ability, 20 questions and 20 minutes, pseudocode, 5 questions and 10 minutes, and numerical puzzle, 4 questions and 10 minutes. Okay, so you will find videos related to numerical and reasoning ability in our channel Learning About, and also verbal ability. You can look at our test practice platform for verbal ability questions. And so those who clear the written test will undergo the interview process, which would be for a technical and a HR interview. So this is the selection process for the systems engineer. Now coming to the operations, operations executive. The educational qualification: BCA eligible, BSc graduates from all branches are eligible, and diploma holders are eligible. And when it comes to diploma holders, computer science computer science diploma holders, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, and information technology. So these 4 branches these 4 specializations are eligible as far as diploma is concerned. And the selection process, so here there is a written test and interview. So as far as the selection process is concerned, so you will get the details, okay, regarding the selection process in the mail. Those who are eligible to appear, they'll get the, among the people who have registered, those who are eligible to appear will get the mail communication. So usually as far as the operations executive hiring is concerned, reasoning ability like 15 questions 30 minutes, mathematical ability 10 questions 30 minutes, verbal 20 questions for 25 minutes, and puzzle solving like 4 questions 15 minutes. So this is the general selection process for operations executive. And so how to apply, so there are 3 different links, please check the video description. Okay, so the first link is for the systems engineer hiring. As far as the OE is concerned, there are 2 links. One is for the BCA BSc graduates, and the other one is for the diploma candidates. So usually in these forms in Infosys, they ask for the name, date of birth, gender, email ID, contact number, address for communication. The forms are like very simple to fill, and they ask for the educational qualification. So depending upon like your 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, PG, like whatever is relevant, you please fill it up, and you have to mention, like any active backlog, like any gap if any, and then you have to upload your resume, upload your passport size photograph, and upload the college ID card or government ID card. So this is the usual procedure to apply. I hope the information I have shared in this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'll be very happy to answer your questions. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.